Want to know how to change your output text in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your text or the way your code is written in the output in Cursor AI. So make sure to watch it. So let's get right into it. Now we have also created previous videos on how to change your output itself, but in this video it's about output text. So let's get straight to it. Now I have this code with me right here, so you can just simply see this code. So you can just simply select Ctrl+A, which will select the entire code, and once this entire code is selected, just simply select quick edit or just simply select Ctrl+K. This should open up a prompt looks like this, as you can see right here. As soon as you want to change the output text, just simply copy this prompt right here. Just simply select enter once everything is done, and now your text should be changed. And as you can see right here, again just simply select keep right here and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.